Masiquestiona lento yokuthi kune-low vibration ne-high vibration is not because maybe we are judging abantu, but it's important ukuyi-outline so that umuntu ovibrate low ne-fear ne-anger la yekhona azo-understand ukuthi there is an option to elevate myself, and there are a lot of things that one can do in order to elevate themselves and get out of that state. So lento le ye-fear nayo ifakiwe kuthina ngezindlela eziningi, and lapha usunenkinga bese uyasaba because watshela ukuthi makukanje kanje kuzoba kanjena nakanjena. But when you take your matters into your own hands and understand ukuthi sonke sidalwe umdali uyasithanda, unothando, ithina nje kuphela esingenalo uthando, and once saba nalo lolo thando thina singaba strong ngesihlule zonke ezinye izinto, kodwa saconditionwa-ke ukuthi singabi nalo uthando, sibe ne-fear, sibe ne-anger. Leyo nto isigcina-ke si-vibrate low, kodwa mhlambe ngelinye ilanga ngoba izinto ziyashintsha manje sizophakama. So lento leyo ukuthi umhlaba uyashintsha, there were times in the past la kwakuba ney'nkinga zokuthi asi-understandani as ama-generations, but leyo nto siyithathe mhlambe angifuni ukuthi nge-anger, kodwa siyithathe nje ngokungazi, sagcina sesiqhubeka nayo. Kanti kufuneka si-understand ukuthi umuntu ophile ngalesi sikhathi izinto zenza ngale ndlela, abanye abazalwa kabusha bazenza ngenye indlela because umhlaba usumi ngenye indlela ngalesi sikhathi bona abazalwa ngayo.